Hi everyone. I know it's been a while since my last video. I honestly just haven't been super inspired to film the last couple months, and I knew I needed to give myself a break from making videos to focus on other creative projects for a little while. I've actually had this video sitting halfway finished on my hard drive for such a long time, but better late than never, so here I am finally finishing it. Even though I haven't been inspired to make videos, I have still really been inspired to do lots of other creative things, like making an entirely new stationery collection in my shop. And that's actually what this video is all about. I really wanted to tell you about this new collection that I made and show you some of my new things and how you can use it all. So all of my new products are actually printable items. They are digital, not physical products. So you can download them and immediately start using them after purchase. I wanted to create a bullet journal spread using some of my new things, so that's what you'll see in this video. And if you're interested in having a look at my entire digital stationery collection, I will have my website linked down below. It's shopstellaire.com. I wanted this bullet journal spread to be 2 pages, one to introduce the month and then one to plan the first week. And again, I filmed this video a couple months ago, so it is a bit outdated. That's why you see me write December here. I hope you don't mind. This classic literature quotes printable might be my favorite. I just love these little images. I think they're perfect to add to any journal spread or collage that you're working on. The mini snowmail kit is another one of my favorites. It comes with a bunch of different envelopes for you to cut out and fold together, as well as some notes and postcards and things to decorate these mini letters with. Once again, I love adding these to my journal spreads as a decoration. Also, with Valentine's Day coming up soon, another super cute idea would be using this set to make mini Valentines for all of your friends. I don't know about you, but I love anything mini. I know it's kind of silly, but I just think that things are so adorable when you make them tiny, and I would love to receive a mini Valentine from someone. This washi tape set is fun because you get all these different patterns that you can use to mimic the look of washi tape. Obviously, this isn't real tape, but it's a super easy way to add extra elements to your collages or journals, and there's a lot of different patterns to match any look that you're going for. I just use glue to adhere the tape strips to my page, but you could also consider printing this on sticker paper to make it even easier. To finish off this page, I used a micron pen in the 01 size to add the final touches. Since this page is the intro to the month, I made a box to write notes and things to remember throughout the month. Next, we move on to the other page, which is a weekly setup. I cut out the days of the week headers from my literary stationery printable kit. In that same kit, I have this cute little playlist, which is a fun thing to add to your journal each month because you can use it to document the songs that you're enjoying at the moment. To fill in more space on this spread, I cut out the pocket from this printable kit and folded it together. You can use this pocket to store any little notes or paper scraps you want, but I cut out the mini newspaper, again from this kit, to stick inside that pocket. I finished the second page off with a few more decorative elements from the literary stationery kit. That's it for this bullet journal spread. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and seen some of my new stationery products that I created. I really love how this new collection turned out. So like I said, I will link my website down below if you want to go take a peek. I also wanted to mention that I do still have a Patreon where I share extra content, things like graphic design tutorials, photography tips, behind the scenes of my art process, and more. So I will have that linked down below as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you are well, and I will see you again soon.